Hey best friends, welcome back to my channel. So I have a quick video for you guys. I want to talk to you guys about this wig that I have on right now. This wig actually came from Nigeria. This is my second braided wig that I've ever tried. And both of the wigs came from the same person. Her name is Uzma. She's from Nigeria. She is a beautician out there, and she has a business where she sells affordable braided wigs. And let me tell you that these wigs are very neat and beautiful. So I just want to show you guys, you know, how the wig looked when I first got the wig, and me attempting to apply the wig. I do want to say though, if you have a low hairline like myself, where the front of your hairline protrudes close to your eyebrows, you should definitely tell her if you do decide to order from her, because she can leave you more baby hair out where you have to customize it yourself. I should have told her that, but it really slipped my mind when I did tell her what wig I wanted to get from her. So yeah, and also you should definitely tell her your measurements. You tell anybody your measurements when you're ordering a wig, unless they already have it down on their website. So I did try to place this wig on my head with Got To Be glue. I have not used Got To Be glue to actually adhere my wigs in forever, but when it came to this, since it's sitting directly on my hairline, I needed to make sure that I didn't use any glue because I just didn't feel like, you know, dealing with that. And Got To Be glue comes out with warm water and it's not a big deal. So it is secured on my head. It's not coming off, and I did secure it with Got To Be glue. There are clips of me showing you what the wig looks like with the baby hair in the front. Unfortunately, because I do have a weird hairline, I couldn't use those baby hairs because I did have to cut it directly on the braids to make sure that it could fit my hair right, because this wig is definitely shaped for somebody that has a moon shaped hairline, and I don't. So my hairline goes like this down. That's the reason why my wigs or my frontals takes a lot of time, because I definitely have to customize my frontal to truly fit me. So this is a full lace unit. It's a stretchy full lace unit at that, but I do think the size of the cap is more of a 21. I am a 22 and a half, almost a 23, so this is fitting me kind of snug. I would love a bigger cap in this. If you do have the same head size as I do, I would definitely suggest you tell Uzma, you know, you do have a bigger head size. And if you don't know your head size, get you some measuring tape, put it around your forehead, put it around your nape of your head, and measure it. Usually people are between 21 and 23. If you're over 23 or under 21, then you would definitely need a custom made wig, okay, like that. And that's what it is. So this kind of wig is considered a stock wig because of the fact that it is already manufactured. Not the braids, but the wig itself, like the full lace unit, is manufactured and then it's sent to somebody. So when people say stock wig, that's what they're referring to. But Uzma did a great job with constructing this wig. So this wig is 3 layers. It is a top portion where it goes up into a top knot. It has this middle portion right here where it's cornrows going down, and then it's individuals in the back to make everything look full and filled out. And these type of braids are really trending right now, and then depending on where you live, this type of braid can be upwards of $300 easy, depending on the lift. And she made this real long and did a 2-tone color for me because I saw this on her website and I just fell in love. My braids are actually like between 24 and 26 inches. They're pretty long. Let me show you guys. So yeah, so my braids are pretty long, and she can do the whatever length that you want, but the price is going to be definitely adjusted. Majority of her wigs are under $200, which is amazing, especially when you get Nigerians to braid your hair, and you know the Nigerians know how to braid, and they know how to braid real neat. And these are definitely feed-in braids. So I just want to come to you guys and show you this bomb wig that I got from Nigeria, and I just wanted to support, you know, a fellow business. She did send this wig to me for free. It's not a sponsored video. She sent it to me to try, and I just want to show you guys this bomb wig because I like when, you know, we as a people get creative with stuff like this, and it's really pretty. The turnaround time is about 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, because everything is handmade. When I tell you that it's very nice and well put together, it's a very nice and well put together wig. And you have a picture that you want her to do, she'll definitely do you. She'll definitely do you. That's what she said. But she'll definitely hook your wig up to the picture that you sent her. Her customer service is just very wonderful, and she'll tell you once your wig is done and complete, and she'll just DHL it right to you, and it'll get to you quick as hell. So I'm just letting you know. Like I said, she did not send me this wig to review. I just felt like I'm here for black businesses. I am, me being half Nigerian myself, like I want to support. So, you know, when I see somebody that has a bomb product and they want to send it to me and they're not requesting me to do a review, if it's good quality and it's really nice and I will rock it and rock it bombly, like, I'm going to show you guys what it is. So I will definitely leave all her information down below, because this is a bomb wig and I can't let you guys not see, you know, her beautiful creations that she does make. It's just so bomb, like, and I'm in love with this wig. All right, so if you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down below. If you want to get in contact with Uzma, I will definitely link all her social media down below. You should definitely follow her on social media and see all of her beautiful wigs, because they're worth it. All right, you guys, until next time, bye best friends.